All right, so another trading session on iqoption. I'm trading binary option on iqoption. There's plenty other platforms, guys, you can trade. So I will start with $10, as you can see. And yeah, there's plenty other platforms that allows you to trade binary options starting with $10. IQ option is not the best. Trust me, IQ option is not the best. All right, so this one is going down. 100% sure it's going down. I got this signal using some indicators, using my strategy. Uh, yeah, I'm not saying that my strategy is the best strategy in the world, but for me, my strategy is working all the time. So that's enough. And that's what you need to do. You need to have a good strategy that's working for you and that making you profitable trades. And the most important thing is that you need a strategy that is going to help you avoid making wrong decisions and making wrong trades and losing trades. Yeah, that's it. My strategy is explained in the course in the description below. If you are interested, of course. If you are not interested, that's okay. You can just learn a good strategy out there. There's plenty good strategies. I don't advise you to learn from YouTube. There's plenty good videos on YouTube, but I don't advise you to learn any from YouTube because let's face it, in order to be successful, you need a good strategy. A good strategy is not shared on YouTube for free. Yeah, so first win. All right. Yeah, the downtrend is continuing to happen. This one is so see how how good this trade was. I opened a short position when the candle was green. So even with a smaller green candle, I'm going to win. We don't need to talk about the red candles because red candle is 100% a win. I'm talking about the green candle. Even with the green candle, I'm going to win. So yeah. All right. So I said that a good strategy. All right, a good strategy that you master, a strategy that you trust, a good discipline. You need to be disciplined. Um, and trust me, you're going to make a lot of money if you are good with your strategy. Your strategy is good. Yeah, I win. So red candle, I won. $8 right now. We are at $27, and I believe that yeah, we're still having a downtrend or a bearish trend is still going. So yeah, a good strategy, guys. Look at a good strategy. Please, please, please don't listen to those saying that I give you free signals. I was giving free signals, by the way. I was giving free signals on this channel and on my other channels, but you know, scammers are everywhere. So people try to sell my signals, try to yeah, sell to innocent people. So I decided to stop, not share my signals anymore, but I decided to share my knowledge, everything I learned over the years about trading binary option. Yeah, another win. So yeah, everything I learned about binary option is shared in my course. So that's it. I don't need to share with anybody else my signals. I share with them my knowledge, and you can decide for yourself. You can either um you can either uh, learn the strategy, practice, spend time. You need to spend time and effort in order to be successful in trading binary option or forex or crypto, or you can just leave it there and look for somebody who's giving you free signals and taking your money, or selling you signals and taking your money. So please trust me, the only one that can provide you with good signals is yourself. So don't trust anybody else. Don't depend on anybody else while you're trading. Yeah, this one, I believe. Yeah, it's a win. It's a win. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. This was a red candle, a smaller red candle, but with with a long position, I won. Even I had a smaller red candle. If even I had the color red. So that's what you need to do. This is why I'm waiting here. But anyway, I believe that I'm opening with $40, so I will try with $40 because I know what I'm doing here. I know what I'm doing. I know a green candle is coming up next. Um, if you've been studying my strategy, you know, guys, what I'm doing here. You know that uh nothing is too complicated. Some indicators, some chart patterns, the way I'm using my Bollinger Bands, the way I'm using my parabolic SAR and RSI, everything is simply explained, giving me this win. For example, $43. Right now we are sitting at almost $80. We started from $10, remember, and yeah, with a good signal, with a good signal, you will open trades like that. Like you are 100% sure you are going to win. Why? Because your strategy is good. You trust your strategy. You know what are you doing. Even if you are losing, you are not going to lose your mind. You are not to lose. You are not going to lose your money because you just lost one trade. That's the most important thing. You lost one trade, you didn't lose your money, your balance. And that's the good thing. You still have more chances. For me, I'm a good trader. I know what I'm doing. So it doesn't matter if I'm opening trades with everything I get on my balance. That's it. That's why I keep it simple. And yeah, another win. Um, yeah, another win. So that's why I keep it simple. Let's stick with $40 or 70. Um, yeah, let's put $70. Yeah, $70 is good. Right now, the trend is coming down. See, the market crossed the middle band of the Bollinger Bands. The RSI flip position. This candlestick chart pattern is indicating that a red candle is coming next. Usually I use the inverse. Here I'm having previously, for example, in this previous example, I'm having two green candles, but in my real trading, I'm having two red candles, and the next one is going to be green. But in this case, it's reversible. So two green candles, and the next one is going to be a red candle, and yeah, a win. $59.50. All right. Um, this one was a little bit risky, but anyway, just trust me, hear me out. This one is going to be win. Look, yeah. I'm 100% sure. I thought since I was using the inverse chart pattern, the inverse chart pattern of this, so everything is explained in the course. I can't explain to you what I'm doing here. You need to have some idea about my strategy, about the way I'm using my strategy. I can't give you more details about the strategy. Everything is in the course. Trust me. I'm sharing everything I learned, and yeah. So as predicted, $59.50. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Um. All right. So let's see. Still having another downtrend. $70. What do you think about doubling it and putting $140 next time, next amount? Or I'm sticking with 70. Yeah. So yeah. So guys, there's plenty of courses out there. There's plenty of people teaching good strategies, but you need to pick the good ones. All right. There's also plenty of shitty teachers and shitty videos and shitty courses. You need to choose the better one and the good one to trade or to learn from. One wrong course and you're going to lose all your money and you will lose hope when you're trading. Yeah, another one. So I don't want you to lose hope. I don't want you to become or say no, trading binary option is not profitable. I will not never make money. So let's open another trade. Yeah, 140. So let's see what's going to be happening with RCR. Yeah, let's put $140. And yeah, a short position, of course. This one is going lower, and yeah, a win, a win. So, all right, yeah. So as I was saying that, uh, one wrong course, one wrong signal, and done, and then you will you think that no, binary option is never profitable. What connection? Oh, sorry, my bad. So yeah, a win, beautiful. I almost lost here. See, I almost lost $140, but yeah, stick with $140. This one is going down. So, and trust me, no mentorship. Don't believe those saying that I'm having a mentor, somebody is teaching me. You teach yourself. Teach yourself. You don't need anybody else. Trust me, you don't need anybody else. You need to be a hard worker. You need to put the hard or the right effort, learn from the right people, and trust me, with time, you're going to be successful. Trust me. So don't trust anybody else. Don't put your money to on any other investment other than binary option. Don't invest in people. Invest in options or cryptos or yep, win. So invest in cryptos, invest in options, don't invest in people. I'm a mentor. No, you are not a mentor. Go make your money for yourself or make me a course and I will study the course and I will decide if this one is good or bad. I will decide for myself. I don't need you to decide what option to buy for me and what stock to buy for me, what crypto to buy for me. No, I will decide by myself. All you need to do, if you want to help, of course, you can just teach me via course or a seminar. Teach me how to trade, and I will decide if you are a good trader, bad trader, and I will decide for myself if I need to invest my money on this type of trading or this type of investment. Yeah, there's plenty of stuff you can learn from. All right. Yeah, so there's plenty of stuff you can learn from out there. There's plenty of courses, videos on YouTube. Trust me, for basic level, just go to YouTube. Just go to YouTube. There's plenty of stuff out there. On YouTube, there is videos, there is basic explanation of different. Mm, yes, I did something wrong. No. Uh, no. So, as I was saying, on YouTube, there's plenty of stuff. You can learn the basic level of trading from YouTube, and you don't need anything else. There's a basic explanation of different chart patterns, different indicators. There's even some strategies, bad strategies, of course, not the best strategies out there. There's some good strategies, but I don't trust those strategies explained on YouTube video, man. You need a full course, 6 hours or 5 hours to explain a good strategy. My course is more than 5 hours. There's other courses more than 8 hours. Trust me, those courses are good. With video, 10 minute videos, man, what you are going to explain to me? Explain to me when the moving average is going to flip here, and I'm going to understand that now the market is going to go down. No. You need more than that. You need more than explanation. You need to understand the market, how the market is made, how the indicators are made and calculated. Everything should be explained in the full course. So yeah, but in basic level, if you want to understand what the double top chart pattern means, you can find good. Oh, yeah. So I guess that's it for the signal, guys. I will stop the video right. Yeah.